Hello everyone. Today I am visiting one of the interesting place in Barcelona and I want to give you some explanation about this place. This is one of the oldest and one of the historical places in Barcelona, and most of the visitors are visiting this place in everywhere like USA, Canada and Australia and other European countries. And also, if you love traveling, you can visit the place. I feel that you must visit the place in order to recreate the history. This place is catalogued as one of the essential to see in Spain, and its construction began more than 135 years ago and was designed by the Spanish architect Sans Gaudi. And let's agree the family is under construction yet, and it is estimated that it will be ready in 2026. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I have collected those information from an article.